Eze-Ana bụ eziokwu, Eze-Ana bụ ụzọ ndụ. Ị ma na o nwere olu na-eti mkpu na-asị ụmụ Igbo chigharịa, ụmụ Igbo chigharịa. Kwa mbọsị ọ na-eti, n'ụtụtụ n'abalị ọ nọ na nkuzi. Eze-Ana, Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma nye jem ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma n'ọrụ ifite, onye mgbasa ozi, ozi ọma ọdịnala gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu, onye ọma nye jem ọnụ. Ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ gaba n'iru. Eze-Ana ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu ga-adị, Ugochi tubelu tempụl ọ ya adị. Maka na eziokwu anwa chacha, ndị ụka erigo anyị front and back, ndị oche eri anyị front and back. Faji asị kala aka ghọrị ụmụ Igbo, si anyị rapụ nke anyị na nke fe ka mma. Bulu Baịbụl bịa, akwụkwọ akụkọ, mepekwa chọọchị fa, okwu n'ụka bịakwa.
Good morning, viewers all over the world. My name is Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu Ọdịnala Temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi, deep consultation, rụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche and other spiritual works. Abụkwazi m onye isi nchụaja na Ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụkwazi onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Today, we are here today on the program Hour of Truth to tell you all the truth you need to know concerning Igbo spirituality. Today, our topic today is so unique. The title of today's topic is "Don't Cheat as a Married Woman and Don't Go After Someone's Wife." You get why? Topic is "Don't cheat as a married woman and don't go after someone's wife." That is today's topic. Before we dive into this topic that is so enormous and is a social menace that is on the rise in today's world, before we dive into today's lecture proper, important announcement. Don't forget that our monthly ritual is still ongoing, the one of month of September. Monthly ritual is a ritual of group of people coming together in one purpose to offer sacrifices as a unit, as a group. I can tell you there is power in group rituals, very important. What we do is we come together, contribute together for sacrifices throughout the month. This morning I have gone to the temple to make declarations upon the lives of those that join us. You can join these group rituals anywhere you are under the sun. Distance is never a barrier in all our rituals and sacrifices and works in the temple, including consultations. I will keep doing it, remembering them in prayers and sacrifices till the month ending. Last day of the month, we visit the waters with Ichebotes to offer sacrifices and salaka on behalf of all. We proceed back to the temple to offer sacrifices to entities of powers, including Ram and Saraka. I can tell you we have lots of testimonies. But as you all know, in our system in the temple, we don't share testimonies on social media or in Eziokwu TV. You know why? It's not necessary. It's not why we're here, but I can tell you, We started this group rituals almost 3 years now. We have lots of testimony, believe me. So if you are listening, you're under the influence of my voice right now, you are blessed, believe me. Because what you are going to hear today will liberate you, because you will be made clear by the word you are going to hear today. A ga-eme ka ụnụ dị ọcha site n'okwu nke ụnụ ga-anụrụ ụbọchị taa. That is total liberation. So before we dive into today's lecture, if you have any question in today's lecture, or you want us to do deep consultation for you, or you have already entangled yourself into this menace, and for that reason destroying your lives beyond imaginations, chat me on WhatsApp. I will help you. 0805 7837 I repeat, 0805 7837 or 0813 8243 I repeat, 0813 8243 Let's now continue where we stop. Today's lecture is very unique, like I said before. So if you are interested in joining us our monthly rituals, what you have to do is chat me on WhatsApp. I will tell you other details we need for you. If all there are 3 prayer requests, then make token donation to the account number. Let's now proceed. Don't cheat as a married woman, and don't go after someone's wife as a man. It's a unique lecture. Let me tell you one thing you need to understand. Marriage is something that is very unique and very sensitive. Marriage is something that has to do with tradition, and it's something that bears witness. The spirits bear witness. Your ancestors bear witness. The friends and well-wishers, relatives also bear witness. You don't understand why it is forbidden for a woman to cheat. I will tell you the physical implication, then will tell you the spiritual implication. First of all is this. A woman is a home builder. A woman is not supposed to be dancing reckless dance. A woman is a role model. A woman is a mother. A woman is a mother. So you as a woman, never you say, let me cheat because my husband cheat also. Yes. A mother in the house, or your own mother, a good mother will never do evil because his son or his children or her children is doing evil. It's not done anywhere. A mother is a role model. That is why even Ndokobia will tell, once they shout on themselves, as in the way they normally greet themselves, they say, Mama. They said, Ugebe is in Uno. Do you know what Ugebe means? It's the mirror of the house. It's a replica. In fact, any family that the woman, mother, has issues, believe me, that family is in shambles. That is why even what the people emphasize more is the character of the mother of the children. If the mother of the children is a woman that flirts, cheats, a woman that normally of bad behavior, believe in me, it will affect the children, because people look more to the mother's character than the man's character. You know why? The woman is the one that will bring the children. She is the one that will always be there for the children. Naturally, a woman always stay closer to the children. That is how nature made it, because she will always be there, the one that will provide for provide food. Even if they are the man that bought those food, the woman will still be the one that will cook it. So definitely, all children normally have bonding with their mother. It's natural. There is nothing any man can do about it. So a woman stayed more with the children. Is the mother of all. A woman is a mother of the house, a mother in the engine room of the house. A woman is like the compendium of the entire thing. You getting me? So this world will never be at peace or be a befitting place or whatever with that woman. Yes. So that mother figure is not just for decoration. A mother is a mother for the children, and you also play a role of a mother to the man if you have a genuine woman. So there is nothing like let me do because I perceive that the man does something. No. Okay, as in okay, so na ngwere ma mmiri maka na ọkọcha ngwere na ọma aka oke. So a woman is a role model. That's what I'm saying. A woman is a role model. So when a woman is at fault, it's like nketa ịtọpụkwa anya wara ya n'onu. You have bastardized the family entirely. So, and again, why a woman should not be doing, let me do it like a man. Any woman that sold the shame, naturally a woman should have shame. That is how a genuine woman is built. A genuine woman is built in a way that a woman has shame. A woman, a genuine woman, a young maiden, cannot even be able to look you on the eyes, eyeball to eyeball. Can't. Instead, she will be facing down, drawing and squeezing everything and squeezable around her. That is when so a woman should have shame. So a woman should have shame of how on earth will I be able to undress myself before another man. That man is not the man that your parents gave your hand to. A genuine woman will hardly do it. Because there is a virtuous woman. There is this characteristics of a genuine woman. Forget the fact that this world has been bastardized. A genuine woman will find it very difficult. So when a woman lost that particular virtue that you're supposed to have as a woman, then everything is a shambles. So as a woman, you should have shame. As a woman, you should have shame. It's not an option. And in the Igbo spirituality, you have room for when the going is no longer good for you. You are no longer feeling comfortable. You can quit. Igbo spirituality does not make it as for better for worse that you must know. When the going becomes so tough that you cannot bear it, Igbo spirituality allows you to exit out. Exit. Are you following? So what I'm telling you in essence is that it's not a norm at all, because by paying that their bride price, the man is the sole owner. The man is the sole owner of you entirely. So when a woman decides, because the man is the one that pays the bride price, he would pay the bride price, who they prepare to dictate the truth. Yes. As they said, they do to say, the piper dictate the truth, right? Whoever that pays the bride price, the man pays the bride price, you owe him total submission. Because for that particular day he paid the bride price, it's like you are he owns everything. So whatever you cheat, it's like you are betraying the trust. You are no longer obedient or submissive to the man that paid the bride price. With that bride price, gave that man 100% ownership power. And because you have gone his wife. So whenever you deviate by not being totally submissive, because whenever you cheat on the man, you are no longer totally submissive to the man. You are a betrayer. Because for you to accept, they gave you the wine carrying, he carried the wine and everything, and said, before your people, before your people, before your relatives, before your Eze-Ana, because that is why whenever they are doing traditional marriage, it must be done in the woman's place. Yes. So even your Eze-Ana, your ancestors are there as witnesses. As witnesses. The day you say, go on, drink, I have accepted. So it's a total obedience to the man. So whenever you deviate from there, that total obedience to that man, you have done the wrong thing. You have done the wrong thing. And again, one thing you know that is very unique about women is that a woman does not see sex as just for fun. A woman is emotionally attached, this emotional attachment to sex. So once a woman, before a woman will be able to cheat on a man she was once loved, she must have been nurturing hatred. Maybe she thought that the man has done one or two against her. Before a woman can cheat, the woman must have hated the man. Maybe because of misunderstanding. Now the woman hate the man. Before a woman will be able to sell herself out against her husband, she must be in pain. There must be hatred within her heart. That is the only thing that will make a woman to cheat. A woman is not like a man. Some men can actually cheat, but they are cheating out of fun, and they still love their family. Some of them, even if they cheat, if you touch their family, you are in trouble. So it's fun. A man can cheat, but he will never cheat because of love. No, they cheat just for fun. I'm not justifying. I'm not giving men license to cheat. No. What I'm saying is that a woman attach emotions to sex, while a man attaches to fun. That is it. Once a woman started cheating on you, her heart is gone from you. Because how a man sees sex is not how a woman sees sex. That is fact. So as a woman, you are not permitted to cheat because no kurara akonya korea. If you are no longer feeling comfortable to be loyal 100% and total submissive to the man that paid their bride price, you can make use of the exit door. That is what Igbo spirituality preaches. Yes, it's allowed. It's not for better for us. Do you know why you should not cheat as a woman? Once you cheat, it's against that oath. Don't you know that it's like oath taking? By the time before the gods of your land, before your ancestors, before your relatives, that's why the bride price must be paid in your family. All of them are there to witness. And you tell them before their presence that from today going forward, that so person, Ikechu will be your husband. It's an oath. And from today, that's why that time they said they will give you a drink to go and show them. That drink, sharing of that drink, is a covenant. It's not as simple as you people think. So whenever you deviate from that covenant, do you know that The way a woman, because a woman is a compendium of the mother, a man hear than a woman easily. You know why a woman should not cheat. When a woman commits abominable act, when a woman committed abominable act, do you know that Eze-Ana a woman easily? Do you know? Before Eze, if you example now, you protected Eze against someone, Eze job. Instead of then the woman committed the crime, you sent Eze to go and kill that woman. Because a woman is a companion, a woman is a mother. What the Eze you sent will do is might be either to kill the husband of the woman, because he's the head. Haven't you noticed that none abu ike nyuo ahụ eke isi ọkpọ? Have you not noticed it? Yeah, you see children playing around an adult. Maybe you hear poo, they mess. Once they mess, any adult will cock the hair. Why do you do that? But it's the anus that releases that mess. That is how it is. So the man remains the head. So when a woman committed a crime, abominable act, who will bear the brunt is the man, the head of that family. Because, let me explain for you to understand. Because the man is the owner. Yes, put it that way for you to understand it. The man is the owner of the wife, of the woman she married. He's the head. So whatever commitment the woman commits, the man bears the brunt. Let me give you another example. In our place, in my own village, if you have sheep or goat, you did not do the needful to tame them, tie them one place. And if they went into somebody's farm and destroyed the person's farm, believe in me, just keep your own money. Because my village people, according to our law, will come and collect money from you, the owner of that goat or sheep. Yes. Because no one will. So whatever abomination your woman committed will boomerang back to you, the owner of that woman. So that's why more than project more against a woman. Who will die is the husband or the children, male children. Or you will keep on killing the man, the children, till at the tail end is when it will affect the woman. If there's any other thing to take. But once the husband is alive, the children is alive, that is people that will bear the brunt. Are you following? So a woman should avoid. Once you cheat on your husband, believe in me, you are killing the man. Take it or leave it. Let me tell you what you will do the man. Some men, it will incapacitate the man. Maybe if the man has a flourishing business, the thing will begin to cripple the man's business. Believe in me. If the thing did not cripple the man's business, sickness will set in. The man will begin to sick. Yes. Because whenever you sitting on the man, giving the man those edible things, you are cooking for the man to eat, what you are giving to that man is actually poison. The man, sooner or later, the man will fall sick. And one thing you will know that this one is a spiritual sickness is that this is Eze-Ana area, Eze-Ana. If they go to lab, nothing tangible will be seen. But the man that owns the body knows that he's sick. The man know your more tirakania. Eze-Ana area, Eze-Ana. Doctor will check all the labs, do all the scans. You will now find out that what he's seeing is very mild to compare the reality on ground. The man can more there. So know it as a woman. Oh, that is why Mbwezi dị n'okwu ụkwa. Nwoke, o nwere ihe nwaanyị gbaa n'ilo. You will never eat her food again. Yes. Until she perform cleansing. You can that is why sometimes if there is maybe separation between husband and wife, if for any reason they are reconciled, the woman got wallow because she even if she's separated with her husband, she's not supposed to allow another man to touch her. Yes, that is the rule. Now, if for any reason she want another man to touch her, what her people should do is to return the bride price so that she will be totally free for another man to touch her or to remarry. But as long as her people did not return the bride price, what the woman does is abomination, abomination on top of abomination. So the man can never eat her food because once he eats her food, the man is eating poison. And sometimes some people, the man will not even know where the thing is coming from. So this one is not a matter of whether you are a church or a Christian or whatever believe. As long as Igbo tradition is concerned, once you keep eating her food, believe in me, the man must go down, either in finances or in health. Because what that woman is giving you is bringing around, what we call around, negative vibrations. Because you don't know that sex is spiritual. You don't know. You don't know that sex is spiritual. Sex is spiritual because there is exchange of vibrations once you are having sex. So the vibration of the woman and the vibration of the husband becomes one over time. And once the woman shit outside, it brings another vibration. And for the fact that the woman is supposed to be subordinate, supposed to be very submissive to the man. So know it today that once you are a married woman, you are under the man's roof and you are sitting on that man. Believe in me, you want to be a widow. Your plans is to be a widow soonest. Either your husband is incapacitated, that man will be in your house and be like a vegetable. That man will be in your house and be like vegetable, or the man will step up, or the man will fall sick. So if you don't want to destroy your husband, avoid cheating on him. Avoid cheating on him. Because once you continue cheating on that man, believe in me, sooner or later the man will die. So avoid it. Yes, because a woman body is like oracle. Yes. So know it today that he had a woman easily. Instead, he will kill the husband or male children or even the children. Yes. So because the children the woman bears is from the man's answer the man's family name. So it's that side thing will go that side. So what I can tell you today is this. As a married woman, you are not permitted to cheat on your husband. Once you does that, you are killing your husband gradually. And any sensible man should know that appeasement and cleansing must be performed. And for the woman to show that she has repented before you can eat that woman's food. That's one of the things our forefathers did olden days that made them to live long. Even the world we are living now, I can tell you without missing word, based on the analysis. Yes, and that 50% of married women nowadays cheat. I can tell you without missing words. 50% of married women of nowadays cheat on their husband. And that's the problem. Sometimes a man will not know what is happening to him. You see your business going down. Yes. You see whatever you are doing going down. Yes. And you know, some men, I'm on your corner now. Some men is even the cause. Men, you that are looking at me now under the influence of my voice, why is it that you as a man, as a young boy, you prefer going after somebody's wife? Why? According to my findings, when I did the analysis, then some people said why they are going after married women is that they are cheaper in maintenance. And with married women, you are not afraid of tomorrow they will say you got me pregnant. But a married woman, a married woman who got pregnant outside, she already know how to cover it up because she went on the outing, illegal outing. Once she comes back, she will make sure you make love to her either that day or the next day or within the week. And at the end of the month, she is pregnant. She will now, for you, since two of you are husband and wife, you will believe that you are the one responsible. So it is easier to cover it up. I can tell you, if you now bring married men, 10 married women that has like 3 to 5 children, and ask 10 of them to swear if their husband is actually the biological father of their children, I can tell you, more than 50% will run away. I can tell you with fact. So, what I'm telling you is this. If you're a young man, you don't want to destroy your future, avoid somebody's wife like leprosy. It will destroy you. And once it destroys you, you will be running from one pastor to another, from one Libya to another, looking for solution to your problem. And it will look like now attacking. Sometimes you will start accusing your uncle of being responsible for your predicaments. But I can tell you, he who fetch ant infected firewood invites lizard to his house. So what I'm telling you this for a fact is, if you're a man, avoid a married woman like tomorrow no day. Avoid them. That is, collect pension because it will destroy your future. Now or later, once you cross a married woman, your future don't go. Your future is gone. Unless if you realize where your problem is coming from, go and first cleansing. Because what you committed is abominable act. And whatever that man, whatever the man says, you will be affected. Because he crossed the band. And you know, to make it worse, if you ask a woman and she denied, yes, that one is a different case because you do not know. But once you are in the known that this woman is legally married, the bride price has not been returned. Going after that woman, you are destroying yourself. Believe in me. And no Libya will save you. Unless you can ajana. Abuogalo, you can't ajana in your entire life. You made a man. Without doing so, Oga, you are in trouble. If you like, be journeying from one Libya to another. If you know more, it will not even come out of Nafa. In a powerful. Unless you jack a new confession. Jack yes, I have done such a thing in the past. Then submit yourself for a while. I can tell you. On a roll call. And when you carry a general farm or see an after no more ogu, or see no more ogu, more walk one you want, more we in Aka wine. Ogana fear, a talk of his fear and a prophecy. Professor Ogana for name will wine. Esinakia, Wallow. If you want to farmer, what is the seer is seeing is the negative vibrations that comes from a woman that is covering you. But that thing is not ordinary charm. It's not your mother's fellow woman that does charm to you against you. No. It's that woman you went after. And again, a man that you went after his wife can cost you for life and it will be real. Because you know. Let me tell you what this thing can cost a man. You know the story of David. David was a great king. He has everything. So on a particular day, he went upstairs to his Iba and upstairs and saw a woman having her bath. He now asked his followers, "Who is that woman living the other side?" They said it's a woman, wife of Hosea. I think Bathsheba, very beautiful woman. He asked them to go and bring the woman. After David knows too well that this woman is a married woman. She is married to one of the soldiers. His soldiers. He slept with this woman. After few days, the woman sent message to David that she is pregnant for him. And in order to cover that crime, David himself thought it was okay. He sent message to the woman's husband in the war front to come home. When the man came home, he went to King David. David, in order to cover his crime, he asked the man, "As a king, I'm giving you leave. Go back home to enjoy with your family, to sleep with your wife. It has been a while. You are on our way for war." The man said, "How can I go back home to begin to enjoy with my wife while other soldiers, my soldiers, are on the war front?" The man, okay, said David, okay. At night, he refused to go home. So that after sleeping with his wife, maybe after 9 months, the new baby is born. Then it will look as if he is the father of the man, the child. You see the game. So to show you that this barbaric game does not start today. No get the video. It has been in existence. The man refused to go. After 2 days, the man keeps sleeping around the palace. He refused to go to his house. And David contacted the woman. The woman said the husband did not come home. The David now decided to use plan B to kill the man. He now called the commander. Take this man to the war front, where there is war is very tight. Once the man enter war front, withdraw other soldiers so that he will be killed. You see, to cover evil. That is how David saw his hands in blood. That is even why when David wanted to build temple to God, Chukwu said, "David, you cannot build temple to me because your hands are soiled in blood." You can see what simple having carnal knowledge with a married woman can cause. It cost David a lot. So what am I telling you? So because of that particular evil, people are causing. It can destroy the woman. Even the woman is because he will destroy your home. Your husband might go. The business of your husband might crumble. At the tail end, you will suffer. Even you, the man that is going after somebody's wife, you will suffer too. I will advise you, if you're a man, never you near a married woman for your own good. Do you know that there is some people that are maybe the hand on Arusi, and that Arusi forbid them from sleeping with somebody's wife because it's a traditional thing. And once you cross their wife, you are in trouble. Like, if onye na-asọ nsọ ada ejekwu nwunye mmadụ, ijekwu nwunye ịnago. Let me use myself as an example. There is nothing on earth that will, even if you're a married woman and you will give me the whole Nigeria, I'm not interested. Are you getting it? And in the law of karma, whatever I cannot do to another person, if anybody does it to you, the person enter into problem. So, and if you are a real ordinary person, you must avoid sleeping with somebody's wife. Believe in me. And abandon will not save you. You know what? You know why? What you did is a committed abominable act against Anna. Because Anna was there when that woman got married to her husband. Anna. That is why you don't understand what is even happening. That day they are doing traditional marriage. They do a poor libation. Haga to sound Konana. Where when then at a time, if you want to Chijo Kita. So Indiana have bear witness that today, if anyone is married to Chijo. So whenever another man cross Ifeyinwa, and I even be revolting it, because they were in a witness, they are there, and they were consulted by Nkwa to Saranda. You know that, yeah? Nkwa about to say about the hot, both the Ngwa, Nkwa and I do it. So Anna bears witness. So whenever the woman go do something on the contrary, Anna revolts. But because he don't have spiritual eyes, don't even know that Anna is revolting. Anna will start revolting by one, your husband business will start going down. Or even sickness, serious sickness that if you go to hospital, they are not even seeing what is really the problem. Anna is revolting. It's just a dog. And if the right thing is not done, it's a gradual the man will die off. Believe in me. So if you're a woman, you know you are legally married to this man, you are living in this man's roof and you are sitting on him, I can tell you, because sooner or later, the man's business will begin to go till down. The man's sick health will begin to go down. You know why? All this while you are giving him food, you are giving him actually, unless if you are living under the man's roof, but again I won't carry there because or they reason nigga or they are proud to boogie. The man here knows ever how he knows as a co-tenant. Because on one he had the color united honor as intimate wise. The man is no longer browsing and is no longer eating your food. You are just there as a statue. That's why it's a different thing. But once you give it to another man and present the same food to the man, you are poisoning the man. Like be making a woman. I can't do only year water. Only year water and about only boomman and about only water. I can tell you, those women and Abani, those married women, all who work in Abba. Okay, ma. Ihe na-achịkọwala gị bụ na because ọ bụrụ na nwaanyị na-agba n'ilo pụta n'ilo no man talk to her, she will go home. So you are the one that is supporting the woman to be doing what she's doing. So when the Brulala comes, you will not go scot-free. So I will stop here. What I want to tell you today is a take home is this. In Igbo tradition, does not support a woman to cheat. Let me give you an example. Or even go you as a man to lust after somebody's wife, you are in trouble. The 10 commandments, in 10 commandments, the 9th one said, they don't lust against another man's wife. Meaning, if you see somebody's wife, you will be admiring the person's wife against the one you have at home. You are envious about against that man that marries that woman. So for this particular thing to be among the 10 commandments, because what is 10 commandments? 10 commandments is those things Chukwu gave to man that if a man really want to enjoy this world, he must avoid them. So this particular don't go after against somebody's wife. Lost against is in the 10th commandment, the 9th one. So what I can tell you for a fact is this. Avoid it. It have destroyed many men. Many have gone. And it keep destroying. Go to various hotels. You will be seeing them. On Sundays, you will see them. I have seen many. What baffled me, like let's say in the last 20 years, there is this particular place, hotel. We are drilling borehole. I'm the owner of the company then. So, as we are drilling borehole, with this my 2 eyes, I saw a woman coming from market. One Okada man brought her in. She's even carrying this walking, talking nylon. Those ones that are selling 50 there now. Now those black ones that normally make noise. I used my eyes. I saw Ogu. Ogu head out of that nylon, showing that she's coming from market. Yes, and the Okada man brought her into the hotel. Then after quite a long time, she left. If you go home, where are you coming from? I'm coming from market. Yes, you can go to that. Now, I know Garon has a Garon, no Yahoo Yogan. I'm Maracana. I'm Machi. Now so many things is happening. So for you today, I've already advised women, I'm advising you as a man. Before you have anything with any woman, ask her and be sure that she's not married to any woman, any man. If she's married to any woman, any man, run for your life. If you have committed it already, as a man or as a woman, if you have any question in today's lecture or lecture family, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672 or 0813-8243-871. I repeat 0813-8243-871. See you tomorrow n'oge awa nke eziokwu. Ọ bụrụ na onwe bụrụ onye eji wee chụ aja, emechaa na ọ ya ebu ome. In the name of the Most High, the Creator of the whole universe, remain blessed. May the work of your hands be prospering. May the blessing of the Most High, Chukwu, be with you and abide with you now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Jamesian.